राजनीति के खेल में हर खिलाड़ी के पास एक चाल चलने का मौका आता है.
The cast and crew of Tandav take cognizance of concerns expressed by people and unconditionally apologize if it has unintentionally hurt anybody's sentiments. This was an apology tendered by Ali Abbas Zafar, the director of Tandav, the web series that was released on Amazon Prime and ran into controversy. Right after its release, several BJP leaders called for a ban of the series, citing a scene claiming it hurt Hindu sentiments and mocked Hindu gods. What exactly were those scenes that triggered outrage and protests? Now, there are two scenes from the web series that are the heart of the controversy. First is the one scene where actor Zeeshan Ayyub's character plays the role of Lord Shiva in the college play. While Ayyub's character isn't really dressed conventionally as Lord Shiva, he talks about issues plaguing the society in current times. And the second scene that has created sensation here is when actor Sandhya Mridul's character tells her boyfriend, who's played by actor Anup Soni, that a man from a lower caste always takes advantage when he is involved with a woman from an upper caste. The controversy escalated to such an extent that 4 police complaints have been filed in different cities. The first complaint that was filed in Lucknow, there the police alleged that in the first episode of the web series, people dressed up in a very bad manner to represent Hindu gods and goddesses, and that hurt religious sentiments. Interestingly, another FIR has been lodged in Lucknow against Tandav for promoting defamatory content. A case has also been registered under sections 153A, which is promoting enmity between groups, 295, which is defiling place of worship with intent to insult religion, and 505, which is statement conducting public mischief, and 469, which is forgery on purpose of harming reputation of the Indian Penal Code and sections of the IT Act. A second complaint has been filed by BJP leader Ram Kadam in Mumbai for allegedly hurting religious sentiments time and again, and he's also called for regulation and censorship of OTT platforms. Apart from these two complaints, in fact, a complaint has also been filed by the Hindu Seva Parishad, a right-wing group in Jabalpur, and another police complaint has been filed by the BJP's scheduled caste cell in Indore. In wake of these protests, security has been beefed up around Saif Ali Khan's home and office in Mumbai's suburban Bandra, and also around the Amazon office in Bandra Kurla, Mumbai. Now, with protests ensuing, Zafar in fact posted another apology saying that the makers are now willing to omit those scenes that have run into controversy. In fact, right now, those scenes in question have been deleted. This comes after the Bombay High Court granted 3-week transit pre-arrest bail to Tandav director Ali Abbas Zafar, producer Himanshu Krishna Mehra, writer Gaurav Solanki, and Amazon Prime content head Aparna Purohit. Zafar's latest tweet regarding making changes in the controversial scenes was just after the makers of Tandav had a meeting with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting.
हम सबके अंदर एक गुस्सा है और मेरा तो नाम ही शिवा है, इसलिए बहुत सारा है.
With cases like this cropping up time and again, the government has now decided to bring in an overarching statute to provide for self-regulation of digital media, including OTT platforms, to address sensitive content. But will that solve the problem?